Every child deserves the opportunity to see clearly, learn confidently, and reach their full potential. Yet, for many children in underserved communities, undetected vision impairment can silently affect development, education, and quality of life. To address this challenge, Project Chashma, Children's Assessment of Sight with a Holistic Management Approach, was launched in Sundargarh district of Odisha with the support of Vision Aid USA. From July 2025 to June 2026, the Comprehensive School and Anganwadi Eye Health Program worked to ensure that no child is left behind because of avoidable visual impairment. Project Chashma was implemented through the L.V. Prasad Eye Institute's integrated pyramidal eye care network in close collaboration with government departments, schools, Anganwadi centers, teachers, community workers, and local stakeholders. Together, they created a strong foundation for sustainable pediatric eye care services across the district. Over the course of 1 year, Project Chashma reached thousands of children across Sundargarh district.
A total of 52,914 children were screened, including 48,319 school-going children, 4,565 children at Anganwadi centers, and children studying in special schools.
School screenings were conducted across Rajgangpur, Kutra, Rourkela, and Bisra blocks of Sundargarh district, with special focus on underserved and tribal communities. Community health workers performed primary vision screening, while trained vision technicians conducted detailed assessments using specialized ophthalmic equipment.
Among the children examined, 1,279 underwent refraction services and 975 were diagnosed with refractive errors requiring corrective spectacles.
आम बिसरा ब्लॉक रे प्रतिटी विद्यालय जो छात्र छात्री मानक आखि परीक्षा करुथिले एवं तांकर परीक्षा रे जो छात्र छात्री मानकर दृष्टि समस्या थिला ताको से माने निजर हॉस्पिटल को नै भलो भाव परीक्षण करी तांको जो चश्मा प्रदान करिसंती से छात्र छात्री माने आज विद्यालय चश्मा पिंधि बहुत भलो भाव रे पढ़ि पारुछंती एवं तांकर पढ़ा कार्य रे कोनोसी प्रकार बाधा नै से माने क्लासरूम पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत भलो रखिसंती सेति पई ए विद्यालय तरफरु L.V. Prasad एवं तांकर टीम को मैं धन्यवाद दोछि विद्यालय तरफरु.
For hundreds of children, a simple pair of spectacles brought a remarkable change. Children who once struggled to see classroom lessons could now read, learn, and participate with confidence. Every pair of spectacles distributed represented not only improved vision but also a brighter future. Some children required more than spectacles. The program established a strong referral pathway connecting schools and Anganwadi centers to L.V. Prasad Eye Institute's secondary and tertiary eye care centers. Children identified with cataract, strabismus, nystagmus, amblyopia, developmental visual disorders, and other ocular conditions received comprehensive evaluation and treatment. To improve referral compliance, the project team conducted repeated counseling, follow-up phone calls, and provided transport support for needy families.
As a result, 557 children attended referral centers for further care.
For children with sight-threatening conditions, timely surgeries were performed.
12 children underwent specialized pediatric eye surgeries,
including for cataract and strabismus. This resulted in restored visual potential, opening the doors to newer opportunities.
मो ना होछि लक्ष्मी मुर्मू टांगरपाली 3 रो आ आज मैडम माने प्रोग्राम करथिले आ आखि विषय रे किछटा जानिलु.
Project Chashma went beyond screening and treatment. It recognized children who require long-term low vision and rehabilitation services for children with cerebral visual impairment, retinal dystrophy, albinism, infantile nystagmus syndrome, developmental delays, and other complex conditions.
34 children received individualized rehabilitation support through center-based services and community-based rehabilitation programs.
Trained rehabilitation personnel conducted home visits and vision stimulation therapy, empowering caregivers to actively participate in the child's development. A key strength of Project Chashma was its emphasis on sustainability. Teachers, Anganwadi workers, community health workers, and caregivers were actively engaged in capacity building initiatives. By strengthening local knowledge and referral systems, the project helped build a lasting framework for early identification and intervention.
मो नाम हूँ सीता बास्के टांगरपल्ली 2 आंगनवाड़ी कर्मी अटे। आज जो प्रोग्राम है मैडम बुझेले आखि विषय रे आमे आगर तो जान नथिलु कि मैडम बुझेला पर आमे बहुत किछि आमे जानिलु आ आम टांगरपल्ली आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर जति कोनसी छुआर आखि खराब हेतिले किंबा गाँर शिशु मानकर आखि किछि खराब हेतिले तांको विषय रे आमे तांकर माँ बापा मान को किछि बुझेबु आउ परामर्श करी मेडिकल को पठेबु बोली कि माँ बापा मान को जणाइबु।
In just 1 year, Project Chashma has demonstrated the power of a comprehensive and child-centered approach to pediatric eye health.
More than 52,940 children were screened. Hundreds received spectacles. Over 557 children accessed referral services. 34 children received low vision and rehabilitation support. And 12 children underwent sight-restoring surgeries. Together, with the funding support of Vision Aid USA, government partners, educators, healthcare professionals, families, and communities, we are building a future where every child has the opportunity to see, learn, and thrive.